All right, let's keep going with the idea of assignments in Google Classroom. And we are up to Google Classroom tip number 12. And that is attaching rubrics to assignments. So we can create and attach rubrics to our assignments to ensure that our students know exactly what they need to do to demonstrate their achievement. So what we're going to do is I'm going to just put in demo, oh, not demon, demo assignment. Okay, fill in your instructions there. Okay, do whatever you need to do. And then over here on the right hand side, you will see we have a section called rubric, and we have a rubric button here. So I'm going to press this and we have some options. We can create a brand new rubric. We can reuse a rubric that we have previously created, or we can import from Sheets. So I'm going to click on create rubric today, and just here is where you will be able to start to create your rubric. We have some options. We can use scoring, we can change it from descending, or we could make it ascending. We pop in our criterion title, our description, our points, our level description. Okay, we can continue to add more elements here. Okay, we can add more criteria here. You can basically do whatever you need to do to make that particular rubric work for you and to ensure that your students know exactly what you are looking for when you are assessing their learning. So that is a fantastic way to be able to really embed all of these digital edtech elements into one ecosphere right here with Google Classroom. We've created the assignment. We have a template using a Google Doc or slides. And now we have given our students the option to have a look and see a digital rubric so that they know what they need to do in order to demonstrate their learning. So great to be able to keep this all nice and tightly packaged in one simple location.